Right everyone, I'm just gonna make some leaves for the project, so you might as well watch. Now you're going to need, if you're going to make these, you're going to need some tweezers and a lighter. So I've got my lighter, let me get my tweezers. Oh, there we are. You want some tweezers that have got a good grip. So, and basically, you just need to do that much. So I'm just gonna, like that. Okay, that'll do. Just cut my first one. I'm going to do 4 maybe, I don't know, 5. I might only do 3. Just do 3 to start with. Right, so what you do is you take your ribbon and you fold it. Sorry, my hands are a little bit iffy today. Not painful, just a bit awkward to move. Fold them like that, and then you fold that back like that. Pop your tweezers over it. Now it doesn't always work, but what I tend to do to help it work is I cut the end off so it's all even, and then I do it. Let's just take a look at this. Push it on there, and then you open that up, and then we trim that so it's level. Give it a blast. You see, it's not open there. That sealed it. Get a blast on there just to make sure it's all right. Take your needle and thread. These are the prettiest leaves I've ever seen that are handmade. They really are pretty. And you just do that. Don't worry about any excess. Pull them in, and then you just give it a tacking stitch whenever it's needed. My cotton's a bit iffy at the moment. Like I say, don't worry. Just a blast with this, and there you are. They are the prettiest leaves. So I'm just going to do that one again. So you can, they are really pretty.